Well, howdy, folks. West Coast 1 again. Chapter X, Vancouver, Washington. Gold Wing Road Riders Association. Guys, I've had a bunch of people asking me what I use for editing and such, so let's try to make a little tutorial here. Today we're going to use GIMP, Graphic Image Manipulation Tool. Kdenlive is the video editor. There's an audio recorder. I'm not going to use that today, but I do when I narrate. The screenshots for the maps and Voco screen for the screencast. And let's get started, guys. Here, got Kdenlive open. Guys, when you come in here, a couple things you really need to do. Set it up the way you want it. You see all the blue box checked? That's what I like to see. And also go to settings and do this, especially the run config. You want to do all that stuff, guys. And it's real simple. After you watch 100 hours of videos, you have your little clips that you want to put in already pre-done. There's my map. There's my introduction, which I use GIMP to make that. I have a test 1 clip and a test 2 clip. I just left clicked and dragged that right into the project bin. Okay, everything's ready to go. I always start with the introduction. And let's put a map in here. Right click it. Edit duration, left click. It's at 5 seconds, good enough for this video. I need compositions. I need slide. I already have it set for 1.3 second duration. Left click it. I like it to slide up, so that's what I tell it to do. And guys, you can move these windows around to fit you. It's really nice. Okay, test 1. Another slide. Left click it. Okay, test 2. I can't see it, so down here I'm going to fit it to the project. That'll make it smaller, that'll make it bigger. That fits it to the project. And I always finish with a slide up. Left click. Left click. Okay, nice. Nice. Now I always put text in here, guys, but if you're going to narrate, you have to narrate first and do your text later. Okay, how am I going to narrate the sounds full? Well, you can either left click, pull down. You can either add it in another audio track and have everything mumbo jumbled together, but let's right click this. Let's ungroup it. Right click it again on the audio and delete the audio. So now you can narrate, put it right in there, and be really good for you. Let's see here. I am going to left click project, add a title clip. Type in what I want to say. Normally I count these dots so I center it exactly, but for the I'm not going to do that on this one. And I have all these set already. The color, font, everything's already set. I have a 7-second default. I need this one to be 9.3 seconds, so I just type that in. Left click in the box, create your title. Left click, drag it down, put it in place. Good enough. Okay. Left click project. Left click render. And on Windows, the render button shows all the time. Okay, this is where it's going to go. But I'm going to name it Kdenlive. Kdenlive, Turtoril. And I don't want a WebM, I want an MP4. I'll left click that. You notice it changes. And if you want to put it in a different file, you just put it where you want it. It comes default less than full quality. I always go maximum quality. And left click that. And I'll be back when it's done. Just a couple minutes. Okay, folks, rendering finished in 2 minutes 14 seconds. Not too bad. Let's clean it up. Left click. Let's close it. Left click. And I never trust it. I always minimize that. I go to wherever I put the file and make sure it's there. So, Kdenlive tutorial. Right there it is. Let's see how we did, guys. Not too bad. And remember the second one, we left the audio in. We have not stabilized this. That'll be the next tutorial. Stabilization and split screen. Cool, man. We did it. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching and take care of yourselves. Bye now.